Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you can tell from the title of today's video, we are doing a haul unboxing type of video. This past Friday, I went to an event in the city. If you guys don't already know, I live in New York City now as a travel nurse. And I was invited to an event by Alchemist. So I just wanted to unbox a few of the things that were in my goodie bag. So right off the bat, this is what the bag looks like. It says the brand's name. It is a metallic bag. And since I have lived in New York, but not only New York, when I lived in California, I have been collecting tote bags because they charge you 5 cents for grocery bags. So these definitely come in handy, whether it's for grocery shopping, just running errands, going to the gym. You can never have enough of these. So shout out to them for this. I love it. If I had my car, I would pack these in my car, but shout out to public transportation. So first up, we have their Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser. I've never tried their gel facial cleanser. And I said in another video that I just recorded that I actually just ran out of my face cleanser. I already know that I love Grown Alchemist products. I went to a wellness retreat in Arizona. I went to Savannah and they had Grown Alchemist products. But then also when I went to an Ipsy, not Open Studios, but an Ipsy event in October of, I want to say 2019, then I had the chance to get some Grown Alchemist products, and that's when I was initially introduced to the brand. So this cleanser comes at a perfect time. It is a full-size product. It is 6.7 fluid ounces. While I was talking, I lost my train of thought. I know that Grown Alchemist is sensitive skin approved. I've only tried sample sizes of their products, but I do know that my skin agrees with it. Which, if I'm not mistaken, the dark bottles, just from what I know from work, when anything's in dark packaging, it means that it has light sensitive ingredients. They're very volatile, so you keep them in here to preserve them. But some of the ingredients it lists: geranium leaf, bergamot, rosebud. That's it. It transitions into French from there. Next up, we have their Hydra Repair Day Cream. This is 2.19 fluid ounces. And on the back of the box, it says Australian certified toxic free through a profound understanding of human biology, cellular renewal, and nutrient utilization. Our formulations represent a new evolution of scientifically capable biological beauty. So this is a facial moisturizer, and I do remember from the event when I tried it on my hand, it felt so good. It was like a gel consistency. I love gel moisturizers. I'm an ICU nurse. Throughout COVID, the only good thing that has come from COVID is my skincare routine and really clearing up my skin and finding products that work for me. But when I go to work, I put on moisturizer, retinol. I have my set list of products that I put on before I go to work. I do my skincare routine. I'll have to do a video for you guys, but you can never have enough moisturizer. Moisturizer is a key step because being in those masks, being in the hospital, my face, sometimes it feels like when I don't put on moisturizer, it feels like my face is on fire. So can never have enough moisturizer. The next product is their Antipollution Primer. It has prebiotic peptide, anti-pollution shield complex, and Ganoderma extract. So way back when I used to post my makeup videos, I used to say that I needed a new primer because I use the same Rimmel Stay Matte primer, and I wanted to find something else that would substitute for that. So this is another thing that comes right on time. I have not been wearing full face of makeup throughout this pandemic, but I have been spot concealing, and even when I do that, I don't wear primer, but I probably should. Not probably, I should. This product is 1.69 fluid ounces. Again, I like how minimal the packaging is. It's straight to the point. The packaging doesn't take away from the product. However, I've mentioned the product speaks for itself because it's so good. And then the final thing that I got is actually from their holiday collection. This is their hand cream, and it comes with a little tube key to slide up the product when it gets close to finishing, which is key because we all, maybe not, but I hate rolling up the tube and trying to squeeze every last drop out. Some of the ingredients listed are vanilla and orange peel. Can never have enough hand cream. If I learned anything from the pandemic, is to always keep some kind of hand cream in your bag, just from the amount of times that I wash my hands at work. I think working as a nurse throughout this pandemic has made me a germaphobe, so it is always good to have hand cream because there was a point where my hands were so badly cracked that I was having to sleep with gloves and Vaseline on my hands, trying to nurse my hands back to health because they were so dry. Oof, just having war flashbacks. But this is a product that is coming out this holiday season, so I will definitely be adding this into rotation, but you can't go wrong with hand. So that is all that I have for you guys. If you guys want to see a more in-depth, not really in-depth, but bite-sized type of video, see behind the scenes of what the event was like, you can head over to my TikTok. My TikTok is a girl named Ken. I will make sure that I update my description box with all my socials, but you guys can go over there and see just what the event was like behind the scenes, kind of a day in the life mini vlog. I do better job of mini vlogging over there. YouTube, I still am intimidated by vlogging. Maybe if I get the, what is it, if I get the vlogging camera that I really want, then I'll do a better job, but whipping out my phone, whipping out a camera, it still intimidates me quite a bit. So that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Also, big thank you to Grown Alchemist for inviting me to this event. It's still so surreal to say I live in New York City. So yeah, thank you to Grown Alchemist for supplying the content for this video. I'll make sure that I list everything down in the description box below. Okay. That is all. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.